Swedish forests have their own pulse. It hides the sounds and they swallow all the lights. And somewhere between the trees, we release something that refuses to stay quiet. It's the BMW M3 Touring. A family wagon on paper, a problem in the reality. It doesn't ask for permission. It just digs in and goes. And we're not here to show off. We're here for that feeling, you know, that split second when everything locks in. The sound, the speed, and the forest sliding by like a film strip. Just us, the road, and an engine that tear open the silence. This is a forest run.